Hello everyone. Normally on my channel I don't do tutorial kind of videos because, well, just listen to me, I don't really sound like the kind of guy who should be telling you what to do to fix something. But this is a topic that's honestly surprised me. There's not really enough tutorials about it to actually fix it. Unfortunately, this fix is only for Windows 7 because I don't have Windows 10, nor do I know how it works. But the problem that everyone would be having, obviously, is your Xbox One controller driver does not work. You try to install it, and it just says, no, driver cannot be found. This is just a problem that Microsoft expects you to fix by updating your Windows, which, for most people, obviously still doesn't work. So in an attempt to fix that, you do a Google search, and eventually you're led to this Reddit post right here by Mr. Arthur XBR on the PC Master Race subreddit. Now, he's attached a file via download that is supposed to be the driver. Now, if you download it, run it, and it still doesn't fix your problem, then this video should help you. So you've downloaded and installed all that. So cool. What you need to do next is open up your control panel. You find your hardware and sound, and then you view your devices. You can actually see here when I tried to do it, I fucked it up, and now it's labeled as a keyboard. I fixed it, fortunately, without bricking my computer. You need to be extremely careful while you're doing this, because you do run the risk of bricking your computer and just being unable to use a device anymore. But fortunately, this is a universal fix for anything like that, so if you can find the driver online and download it, we're going to use my liquid cooling driver here as an example, because whenever I tried it earlier with the controller right here, it didn't pull up the same options that it was supposed to. But you can see here, if you click troubleshoot, it brings up the driver thing, and it says it can't find the driver, so you click apply fix. Then on this dialog box, installing device driver, it's searching, and it couldn't find it. Just like how it should with your controller. So instead of going through all the bullshit they want you to, you instead go here, you click properties on it, and then you go to hardware, properties again, change settings, and then update driver, and then you browse your computer, and then let me pick from a list of devices, and from here it should give you this massive list of all these things, but you don't want any of that. For your Xbox One controller, you want to click show all devices, and after a few minutes, it'll populate the list with all the drivers on your computer. Now, I'll see you all in a minute. Oh, never mind. Now, here you see we have all of these. Fortunately for your controller, if you find this list here, there should be Microsoft with a space next to it, and then all Microsoft's devices. And then somewhat down the list, you should find the option Microsoft Xbox One. So you want to go ahead and click that, and then click next. And then it pops up with this window. You want to go ahead and hit yes, but I'm not going to do that because I don't lock out my water cooling driver. And there you have it. After that, you should just need to restart your computer, and it should work just as intended. And that's all there is. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hopefully it helped you out in the long run. Leave a comment letting me know if it helped you, and I'll see if I can help you anymore if it doesn't. And with that, I hope you all have a wonderful day.